What's going on, guys? 3G here. This is gonna be my first video on my YouTube channel. Not a really great introduction, but it's gonna be an introduction to my YouTube channel for my clips and surprise car coming next Friday. I'm gonna do a video on that. But this is gonna be this video is mostly about my car meets that I host. It's called SCM. It's called Shit Ass Car Meet, SCM. It's pretty much a car meet where everyone comes, no matter what car you have. It's just supposed to have a nice big car meet. I think we've been hosting since April of 2022, so we've been doing this for a while, and I finally now just decided to record. This meet wasn't as good as I thought it would be. Not a lot of people showed up, but we still got some good cars. We had a cammed Chevy something that was cammed heavy. It was nice, and then we had this nice, I don't know a lot about Beamers, but it was nice. I had my clips, the Malibu. We had a 350Z pull up. That's Caden from 38 Rising. Infinity. I think it was a Q50, I think. I'm not quite too sure. And yeah, that's it. But I hope you guys enjoy the video and enjoy. What's good, gang?
What's good, gang?
SCM Car Meet. I know it's a little windy.
It's a little bit chilly.
We're in the Ford F-150. That shit's... SCM Meet 1 with the boy. What? Yeah, I got some goofy ass kids, bro, hiding from us. This is the real me right here.
Me and my
OG gangsters. Got this sick ass BMW.
boy.
Is that M? No, it's not M. Is it? Nah. That's Caden. We love Caden. I bought his Eclipse and then gave it away like an orphan. Say hi, Caden, to the first car meet vlog.
Shit.
Wait, when are you going back to Arizona?
Sunday,
then.
I'll be back for Christmas.
Good. We're gonna have a Christmas meet.
Fuck yeah.
Look at this dude, bro. This dude do not know how to dress. Hey, don't be going.
Fuck you, bro.
It's a secret.
Come on, motherfucker.
It's a secret, bro. SCM meet, shit ass car meet.
Bunch of bitches.
Pretty much. Never had my shitty ass Eclipse. Well, not shitty, but it's a beauty. 3.0, 24 valve, V6, 3.0 liter. NVIDIA N1 catback exhaust system. Caden, would you like to demonstrate?
Money pit.
Money pit. In-gen intake. Soon getting headers. I'm getting headers. Long tube headers, rip mod.
Gavin about getting headers, and he was like,
Where is Gavin?
"You're giving me ideas."
Nah, dude, they're so easy. Is Jacob leaving? Goddamn, that's a big dog. That's a dog. That's a dog. A dog. Got this loud ass V8 truck. God damn it. Gavin, if I ask him the ultimate question. If I give you a sticker, will you put it in your window?
Yeah. Well, what sticker is it?
It's my car meet sticker. SCM, baby. Oh, shit. Drop.
Can just
You can put it on your phone case, you can put it on your dash, you can put it on your steering wheel, you can put it on your shifter. Oh, bam. Dude,
I did not have nails for this, bro.
how do you feel? We repping heavy.
He's got his own meet now too.
Oh, shit. Collab meet soon?
We just started. Oh yeah, I'm down for that.
Let me get your headphone.
Unwanted.
Have Snap, or what do you mostly use?
It's just Snapchat.
Fucking find it. Hey, look, there's
Hey, dude, whose Eclipse is that?
That's
Who that?
It's just beautiful. Where is it? Did I not see it?
Damn, that's sick. That's sick as fuck. I'm gonna need one of those.
What?
That's sick as fuck.
Oh yeah.
Man.
Well, me and my friend are doing that for the trucks.
I'll bet. I have stickers, but I don't even have one on my car. I'm trying to get a banner. I want to make a banner, but they're so expensive.
No, I know. Wait, the banners are the.
Is this a V8? No.
It is.
Julie was here earlier.
Yeah, he left. He didn't even
that's
come out of his car.
No, they just sat there and then they both did. They were probably like, wow, this shit's ass.
Yeah,
He's
probably.
sitting over there, bro.
Okay, I literally tried to go over there and talk to him. They're like, yeah, dude. And I was like trying to mess around, and I'm like, oh, the Ultima. And they're like, what's up, dude?
Dude, one of them was weird. Like, when they pulled up, they just stared at me and Stormy, and they were like, hey. And we were like, hi. He's like, hey.
We're the ones who are gonna keep running. I'm sorry, Caleb. I can't take it.
Bro, you gotta take a seat. This is the beginning of the car meet. Kinda, some legacy. Jacob, how do you feel about this? Cadence from Arizona.
That's fucking ass.
Bro,
It is.
I feel like when I get the 6,
It's also cold as shit.
Gavin, how do you feel about the car
I'll
meet?
put trans break.
Titties.
I know.
Oh, you like vlogging?
Yeah, I'm trying.
It's like 70s right
How do you feel about the car meet so far?
It's pretty good. It's kind of lame with all the people here, but come over sometime.
Yeah.
Come to the meet.
You can still cut it without making it a video.
Man.
He's not a great editor.
How do you feel about the car meet?
It's fucking boring. Everybody's sitting in one spot over there. It's cold. We gotta do something. That's all.
Thank you. Jacob, how do you feel about the car meet so far?
This shit sucks, bro. I'm sorry, bro. It's just the dead truth, bro. That's all I got, dog.
Y'all know about that shitty Malibu over there?
Yeah, dog. Dude, yeah, I don't know.
heard it's
It
really
like made
slow.
some fake ass turbo noises. I don't know what that was.
Yeah.
That's some,
bro. So
it's a, man, look at this piece of shit. God damn it.
faster than your fucking car.
Man, look at this red, bro. Come on, man. Who drives a Ford? Come on. There's his license tag. 4x4 turbo. Man, how do you feel about this shitty ass car?
Fuck it.
They're running
Dude.
away.
Dude, stick your ass on.
Yeah, I've got
You ever hit someone in the shins with those? Bro, that fucking hurt.
Like, I know this what? You know those cars that have like the long ass ones?
Yeah.
Or like the ones that are put on like semi trucks where they stick out like fucking foot, dude.
It's dangerous, dog. It's a dangerous out in the hood.
Dangerous. Dangerous out here. Dangerous. Oh, there's
Basically, bro. I look happy to be here.
Got my license.
Wait, what? Wait, say that again?
I was like,
Say that one more time.
that's why I texted you again. I just got my license.
Damn, you still on medication?
You have insurance?
She's still all loopy and shit, bro. That shit's crazy.
Fool, what you ass doing outside in the cold? Dude, what the fuck? Smile, I feel like dick. Oh, so that's some fucking infinity.
Nah, bro, the owner of this guy, bro.
That's good.
Oh, Caden's here! 38 Rising just pulled up. There's Caden. Cupid. Thick as fuck. Let's go talk to the boys. Alright. Oh. That was
Start the VQ section off strong, huh?
Oh yeah. How's the oil going?
Oil?
Ah,
running low like always.
Oh! You got that shit in the trunk? Damn, that was.
Yeah, you smell it? You smell it?
That was
Oh,
tough.
yeah. Oh,
This
yeah,
Caden, 38 Rising. Also my boyfriend. Oh man, what? Look how dirty it is, bro. Looks like someone pissed on it. Look at the window.
Want someone piss on it?
Oh, I just took a piss.
Caden, how you gonna take that slander?
These are ass. Yeah, nah. They're newer. I'm not gonna say they're better.
You know what? It's his car. Leave it alone. Leave it alone. Hey, keep it. Dude, you know a Nissan Altima has the same engine. Yes.
Oh my god, what's up guys? Welcome back to my fucking YouTube channel. Go follow me. Do I at myself?
Man, these guys
I don't
suck.
like the fucking flash.
You do look like it though.
Hey. Pipe down, pipe down, pipe down, pipe down, pipe down, pipe down.
Shut the fuck up. Oh, if I talk shit.
And it ain't ever coming.
Okay, you guys gonna film this shit leaving?
What?
Why?
Man, fuck Infinities, bro.
My car's better.
You know, you get points for being a manual, but you also lose a point for all the oil you have to use.
It does drink a quart every 1,000 miles.
Hey, man.
Shit.
It's okay.
My car's better.
What do you drive?
An 03 GTI manual, 6-speed.
My God. She drives a GTI.
Well, nice to meet you, man.
Smile for that dick.
We'll lose, though.
All right, everybody, get out. Get your ass out of the car. Thank you. Respectfully. Man, her ass got her wisdom teeth taken out and she's on medication. How do you feel? This car meets piece of
I
shit.
look fat though, right?
You know, your cheeks popping out a little
I
more.
look so fat.
True. Man, Nissan always having these problems, bro.
My Nissan, I got no problems.
Eating up all this oil.
God damn.
Let's try that now.
Yeah, you turned them on.
And then so
Man, who the hell weird those?
Those things. Bro, those are Under Armours.
No. What are those? Bro, thanks for this. How do you feel about the meet so far?
I need some bitches. Yo, get the FRS stuff.
Drift that hoe. Oh shit! It's leaking!
You drifted under the car?
Oh.
Oh, I didn't even think about that.
Put some speed into it.
Oh, shit.
Oh. And there he goes. The prodigal son. Oh, yeah, they have the Z in them. Ass motherfuckers. What? Who wants a kiss?
Speak for yourself.
I'm not gay, I swear. Oh shit! Oh shit! He does not. Oh. Fuck him up!
Alright guys, that's the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. That's the first video I recorded at a car meet. Well, my car meet. Hopefully I can record more. Got a couple car meets this weekend. We got SLS and Boba. Hopefully I can get some people to go with me. You guys can meet more of the crew, different car meets that we partner up with. And yeah, go see some cool cars. And then I'll start recording about my cars, hopefully building more. And yeah, I hope that was a good first video. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and see you guys in the next one. Bye.
Gang, back in the stool. Gang, back in the stool. Young nigga win.